Hey there, runners. Welcome to episode 5 of my Tahoe 200 training series. And today I thought I'd talk about my secret weapon for training for ultras. Hi, I'm Herb the Forever Runner, and I'm trying to document my preparation for the Tahoe 200 race, which is the first time I've ever done something like this. So I really appreciate any feedback or comments I get from you people that have done this before. So I'm just kind of stumbling along, doing what I think will work. And let me tell you about my secret. So this morning I went in for a massage, and for years I've been doing having deep tissue massage done by the same practitioner, and she basically knows every inch of my legs, and it has been just a game saver for me to be able to have some preventable work done. And also, like in the case of this morning, this was a week after my 50-mile race, and just prepping for this weekend's 40-mile race. So it's kind of like, let's dig in there and make sure there aren't any issues, sort of thing. It is so helpful because sometimes there's something going on that you may or may not even know about, and to have someone kind of dig in there and kind of start addressing it makes a big difference. So fortunately, in the session today, everything felt good, and it was great to work out a few kinks. And I would just highly recommend this for anyone. If you have health insurance, most plans cover a bunch of massage sessions. So, it's pretty easy to set up. And the important thing is to get a qualified sports massage person who knows what they're doing. And I'm very fortunate to have a very good one here who works with a lot of cyclists and runners, and she really knows her stuff. So that's kind of my secret weapon. But I have to add to that because we're not pro athletes, so we can't have someone on staff doing this to us every day. So especially as an old fart like me, I try to dedicate just a short period of time, like 10 minutes a day, usually in the evening, doing some foam rolling and hip flexor stretches. Because for me, I get pretty tight hip flexors, and I just kind of have to stay on it. And once you get into a routine of foam rolling, you're gonna notice a few things coming up before they become problems just on your own. So it's really good preventative maintenance that I found in between sessions with my practitioner. And overall, I've been able to run injury-free for a few years here, basically. So what are your thoughts? Is this something any of you do routinely? Like to hear about it. I'm just kind of taking it easy this week. I'm real excited about a race this weekend. It's called the Peterson Ridge 40 mile. It was actually the first ultra race I ever did back in 2005. Now that's like 17 years ago. And I did it a few times. The last time I did it was 2010. So it's like 12 years ago. So it's going to be great to get back, see some of those old Oregon friends, and run that old course. And I'm just going to kind of treat it like a a regular race. I'm not going to pack all my Tahoe stuff. I'll just kind of go out there and see what happens. And I know I'll be slower than I was, 10, 15 years ago, but it'll just be fun doing it. It's a great event, and you finish on a high school track, and they give you a pair of socks at the end. So fantastic time. So I'll let you know how that goes on the next one. But yeah, let me know what you think about foam rolling and using therapists. See ya.